Can I eat potatoes on the keto diet? No, you can't eat potatoes on a keto diet. I'm trying to make this as simple as possible. Okay, listen. Potatoes are very starchy, and starchiness is like carbohydrate rich. Do you understand? You do not want to have a lot of carbohydrates on the keto diet. So, no potatoes, no french fries, no mashed potatoes, no boiled potatoes, none of that. No, stay away from potatoes. Potatoes are not your friend, they are your enemy. If you're on the keto diet, they are, okay? So run away from the french fries really fast, run far away. Do not eat french fries, do not eat boiled potatoes or mashed potatoes or any kind of potatoes at all. No iron potatoes, no whatever, nothing. Don't eat that. What you can't eat on the keto diet, loads of cauliflower, loads of broccoli. Yes.